Hi everyone, it's great to be back with another update after an 8-week break. I want to start with some great news, especially for the residents and businesses of Pontsticill. The road between the Brecon Mountain Railway and Pontsticill village temporarily reopened last Saturday with two-way traffic lights. The road will need to close again on Friday the 31st of July for us to continue the essential works needed to be able to reopen it permanently, which, providing all goes well, will be around February next year. Whilst there is no easy or quick solution, I want to reassure you that reopening the road is a priority for us, and we will continue to work alongside Welsh Water, Natural Resources Wales and various landowners to get these works done as quickly and as safely as possible. I'm pleased to let you know that we're currently hosting engagement sessions with schools, parents and carers regarding additional learning leads provision in the county borough. Information on dates and times can be found on our website and social media pages. On behalf of the Council, I would like to offer my warmest congratulations to the new Mayor of Merthyr Tudful, Councillor David Isaac. His inauguration took place on Wednesday with Councillor Scott Thomas announced as the new Deputy Mayor. I hope you'll all join me in congratulating David and wishing him success in his new role. Well done to Councillor Paula Layton in her outstanding mayoral year. Paula has attended over 75 external events and welcomed over 600 people into the Mayor's Parlour, including local volunteers and charity organisations. Councillor Layton has raised over £21,000 for her two charities, Macmillan Cancer Support Merthyr and Central Beacons Mountain Rescue. We wish her all the best. That's all from me. I'll see you all soon. Have a great weekend. Diolch.